Alright, in this video we'll talk about how to post to a discussion board. So in a class you'll have a discussion board where the instructor will tell you exactly what they want you to talk about. Once you're prepared to reply to the board, we simply select the reply button here. We get a text box that opens up. For this particular post, we will be giving our name, where we are from, our favorite color, and where you would like your next vacation to be. Once you're done, simply select the Post Reply button. You'll notice that your post will go to the bottom of a list that begins to form here. If there is another student that you would like to reply to, we could reply to another student's post by simply selecting the reply button under their name. So here we have a reply by Juan. If I want to comment on what he said, I can click reply there and say, and once I'm done, I select post. All right. So you'll notice that my response shows up underneath Juan's post, and he then sees what I have to say about what he put. Right. So discussion boards are a neat place, a neat way to communicate with other students. So for this assignment, you will reply to a post, and if there's another student that has posted, you will reply to their post as well. And that's it for this one.